Bangladesh Prime Minister is in India on a two-day visit. PM Modi and Sheikh Hasina held a bilateral. Bangladeshi PM also invited Prime Minister Modi to visit the state. Now, this is crucial bilateral that India and Bangladesh is holding. They signed MOUs on railway connectivity, key agreements in the region of space, defense sector, key agreements on water, power were also signed. Both the countries have pledged to cooperate in disaster relief as well. Now, if we speak in detail about the MOUs that were signed are in space program, power, energy and disaster management. Then they also signed a shared vision for India-Bangladesh digital partnership. Well, the key focus was also on how to take forward the relations digitally, as this is the new age technology that we are talking about in combating various problems. Now, they also signed agreements on shared vision for India-Bangladesh green partnership, which is in environment sector. Then maritime cooperation and blue economy was also the focus of this bilateral meet. Now, India and Bangladesh also shared expertise in space, and Bangladesh's Ministry of ICT and Telecom also signed agreements with India. Now, railway was also another sector which was in focus between India and Bangladesh during this bilateral meet. Railway connectivity was also in focus, and how to take forward the relations and increase the connectivity between the two nations was also discussed. Now, cooperation in oceanography was also signed. Now, another MOU was signed in the field of military. Now, cooperation in military education was also discussed between the two nations, how they can strengthen each other by working along each other. Remember, this is the neighborhood first policy of India, which the Indian Prime Minister has been encouraging and endorsing time and about.